Hello and welcome, this is Kylie Koo. And the breaking news is that I am a guest teacher in the One Badass Art Journal 2024. So, One Badass Art Journal 2024 is an online class, and the theme for 2024 is Explore Your Inner Badass, and your host is the wonderful Tiare Smith. In total, there are 17 amazing instructors, including myself, and you'll get 17 badass lessons with lots of tools and techniques and inspiration. And the other breaking news is I have a spot to give away, so I'll tell you more about that in a moment. So what will you get from the class? Well, as I've said already, there's 17 amazing teachers and lessons, and there's lots of tools and techniques, and you can be part of a wonderful creative community. But this is really about giving you the inspiration to create, to learn and feel confident, and everything you need to feel badass every time you make art. And I'm just super excited to be a part of this great lineup of teachers and to work with Tiare. So when and how can you be a part of this? Well, registration opens on December 1st, 2023, and the fun begins February 6, 2024. And if you check my personal code below, you will be able to use that to get direct to the site. So that's in the description box below, and it will also be on the post on my community page, on my Facebook page, and on Instagram. After this video, go and bookmark that link or revisit the video when you need to use it. But I'm also really excited that I have a spot to give away to one of you, one of my viewers. It's easy to enter. All you need to do is to comment in the comment section to this video that you want to be entered for the giveaway. This is the only place that you can do it. The thing you need to note though is that you must leave your comment no later than 8 a.m. GMT on November the 30th. That's Greenwich Mean Time, that's Scottish time, and it just happens to be St Andrew's Day in Scotland, our patron saint. That, I think, is 3 a.m. US Eastern time on November the 30th, and depending on where you are in Australia, around about 4 p.m. on November the 30th. But please do check the time zones and make sure that you get your entry in early, because I will be closing it at 8 a.m. GMT on November the 30th. Shortly after 8 a.m. GMT, I will pin a comment with the winner, and I will also try and put a comment against their name. You will then, the winner will then need to email me with your name and email address, and you need to do that within 12 hours. So I'll need a response by 8 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, which is I think 3 p.m. US Eastern and 5 a.m. Australia. If I've not heard from you within that time, then I'm afraid that I will just need to pick another winner. But wait, there's more. You also have the chance to enter for 2 bonus entries. All you need to do is click on my personal code, which is in the description box below, and you can enter directly. You can also do that via my Instagram page and also my Facebook page. There's more still. Now, I will be putting out reminders in terms of videos on my community page, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So if you don't want to miss any of those, then on YouTube, subscribe and hit the bell, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, etc. I will be coming back with an early bird discount code, and again, bookmark my personal code below, and you will then have the chance to use that early bird discount. Once again, I just want to say I'm super excited to be a part of One Badass Journal 2024. I hope you will join me there, and good luck to everyone that enters for one of the free spots. So do take care. Bye for now. Love and peace.